Hello guys, today token is iVogel token. Price is 0.00143316 BTC is minus 4.3% down. BNB is minus 4.4% down. Low price is 0.00127645 price change in 24 hour. That means high price is 0.00240311 trading volume in 24 hour around $4,53,000. Total supply is around 1 billion IVZ token. Its blockchain is Binance Smart Chain. This is contract address. Its website is iVogelfinance.com. We can join on Twitter and Telegram. After that we will enter $100 here, and in $100 we are getting around 69k IVZ token. After that we will come down, and this is its chart. This chart is continuously increasing and decreasing. After that we will open its website and click on iVogel.finance. I have already opened this website. iVogel, the best tokenized sponsor of endangered birds. We will click on token pre-sale. Supply is 1 billion. For pre-sale 150 million. Start date 27/7/2021. End date 05/08/2021. Time 10 days. Expected currency BNB. Exchange rate of token 1 BNB 5 lakh. Maximum amount collected 300 BNB. Supply is 1 billion. And this is roadmap. Phase 1 DeFi token launch. Website launch. 10,000 Telegram member. Start pre-sale IDO. Burn 30% and pre-sale IDO. Phase 2 token listing on exchange. Marketing. Burn 10%. 5,000 Telegram member. 5,000 holder. Phase 3 listing on CoinGecko. Listing on Coin Market Cap. Burn 10%. Token listing on big exchange. 1 lakh Telegram member. 1 lakh holders. Phase 4 donation to charity of community. Airdrop. Update white paper. IVZ mobile app launch. Phase 5 IVZ swap. Token listing on another exchange. 2 lakh Telegram member. 2 lakh holders. And last phase is donate to help build. 5 lakh Telegram member. 5 lakh holders. Community will decide what happens. And what is our concern? Protect humans by protecting birds. Endangers world, their future foretells your future. First, it begins with 3 comprehensive solutions that serve as a foundation for all the other solutions. Then there is an introduction that answer question most people will have. After that, each part begins with a brief description of what happening, followed by specific solution. And yes, what happening to our environment can be disturbing, even depressing. However, each of the solution presented an opportunity to create good news, help the economy, and create a better life for everyone. On a personal note, most of the proposed specific changes are easy, and many of them can save your money plus improve your health. Why IVZ? What problem could be solved by token? Whale protection, static reward, dynamic liquidity, and sweepstakes, charity, dedication, Toro rounds, all for birds. Cryptocurrency are decentralized, the world of finance more than ever. Peer-to-peer trading, smart contract, and more are out of hands of major financial institutions and into the hands of average person. This transformational landscape is one that require innovative tools and methodologies. iVogel is here to maximize benefit with comprehensive strategies that actually work for end user. Read on, learn more about what this offering is. Our 7 protocols, basic fee structure and plan for distribution, and our features. First feature is airdrop, 5% maximum supply for dividend and join for airdrop party. Exchanges, Due to respect our holders, we will just launch token on decentralized exchange. SWIFT takes the collected fee will be redistributed to certain random members. Static reward 1% from seller fee redistributed to all holders. Whale protection prevent price drop as a result of whale trading irresponsibly by selling large amount at once. Burning, we want to the best our birds all over the world, so we have decided to burn 50% of total supply to increase our token value. Charity, iVocal is about benefiting the community every way possible, giving back to supporting other part of charity. Remove pollution by replacing proof of work miners with proof of stake validators. IVG doesn't burn waste any energy, making environmentally friendly to help ecosystem of bird around the world. So guys, cryptocurrency is very risky. Invest in cryptocurrency at on risk. Thanks for watching.